Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a promo code on the Trading 212 app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Trading 212 application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address or your phone number and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to use any promo code, just tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. And now from this page, scroll a little bit down and you will see the Use Promo Code section. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can enter your desired code in order to redeem your rewards right away. Just tap on the Enter Code box and paste your code. And tap on the Apply Code button. And your code will be verified and the reward will be provided to you right away. You can use as many promo codes as you want, as long as they haven't expired. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use promo codes within the Trading 212 application account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.